Here we are going to unbox the fingerprint lock padlock. Here's the package. It just arrived from AliExpress. Fingerprint lock. Your finger is your key. So we have a padlock and we can unlock this product with our fingerprints. Very interesting. Let's open the package. I already opened it and tested for a little bit. We have a USB charger, instructions, and a padlock. Okay, it's fairly small, lightweight, and it works. Since it has the basic setting, it can unlock with either of your fingers. So we need to set this up. In order to do that, we have to check the owner's manual. Right, so I'm going to press and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, so I think it registered. I got a phone call and the video disconnected. Let's check to see. Okay, so it opens, it unlocks, but if I try with this finger, it doesn't unlock. It doesn't unlock. Oh, damn. Now it recognized me. So it kind of works almost every time. So it's a good product.